In this video, I'm going to show you how to play games on your YouTube app for free. So there's a section in YouTube that you can play games, very simple games, but it's really easy to do. So go ahead into your YouTube on your phone or Android. It'll work the same way. So go ahead and load up your YouTube app. And you see at your homepage, you have all these tabs up here, and these are based on your recent searches, and that way they're kind of like shortcuts to get to where you want to go. And to get to the gaming area of these games, it's very easy to do. So what we want to do is just under the YouTube logo at the top left, go ahead and click that button that's right next to the All tab. And you're going to get all of these options here: sports and gaming and news and music and all these things. And your default might be to go to your gaming section, but it's actually not. What you want to do is look all the way down to the bottom where it says playables. So from this point, you're going to have all of your games here. So you see I have some games on my phone already. But what we can do is scroll through and choose a game. And they're very simple formatted games to play, but sometimes it's just nice to kill some time if you're waiting for something to do, and you can go ahead and play a game on your phone. And there you have it. That is me playing a game on my phone for completely free, just on YouTube. And then you would just X out of it like normal. And that is it. That is how you would go about playing games on your YouTube app for free. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.